Hello and welcome to this video tutorial showing Teamsite 16.6 AI-driven image tagging feature. Azure Machine Learning is one of the content automation features used for image tagging at scale. It analyzes the content and provides image metadata. First, make sure a Teamsite administrator had set up media analysis through Microsoft Azure Cognitive Services. Within the assets, select Media. Select the folder where you would like to have new images. I have some example images to import from my computer. Check the box for automatically tag imported images using media analysis. You can either browse or drag and drop a file or a folder of images. It takes a few seconds to process all images. If all goes well, you will receive the message, your assets were successfully uploaded. You will also receive the message, Media Analysis Tag Asset Workflow started for the imported assets. Exit all messages and wait few seconds for all images to be tagged. Inspect the imported images for description and keywords found in the metadata section of each image. This automatically generated metadata will maximize the value of content suggestions. The user can review and edit this generated metadata easily. Select Tag from the ellipsis menu. Select the images to update and click Tag. Update as you see fit, then click on Save and Close. Notice the change on the individual images metadata. If you have some untagged images within Teamsite, again select Tag from the ellipsis menu. Select the images to automatically generate metadata and click Tag. Notice that there are no keywords nor description for all these images. Click on Suggest All and wait few seconds, then save and close. Verify all images have the correct description and keywords. Now you can see in a state of tagging each asset one at a time manually. Teamsite 16.6 will save you a lot of time by quickly and easily tagging images in bulk, group, or individually. This will help in finding the best contextually relevant content with minimal human effort.